Hey, if your Samsung Galaxy A57 is not turning on, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So in my opinion, the easiest method is to get your charger and the cable and then plug it in straight into the USB-C port, but also make sure that your cable is inside. That will be the best if you have this cable with a screen that will allow you to check if it is actually start charging, because if it is not charging, it means that probably your battery is dead or something is wrong with your motherboard, or for example, something is wrong with your USB-C port. But in the 99%, when you plug it in and wait for 5 or 10 minutes, your phone will turns on with this charging screen. It will announce you that everything is fine. And now you will have to click and hold this power button and wait until the Samsung logo appears. Now you can release. Let me know if it was helpful for you.